Cue ball spit the infrared, my style amaze many. I raise many, a crew ain't got a clue what I'm about to do. Out the blue, QNC, raising the stock, raise the drop, Ray and Christian, blazing the crop. You waiting to flop, we front runners since way back. I'm waiting for payback, exotic cruise and lay back. Keep my dough stacked in Las Vegas, playing the Mac. Out on the streets like crack, we on some shit like that,
I could be anything that you want.
Still a hip-hop slave.
I could be anything that you want.
Still a hip-hop slave.
I could be anything that you want.
Still a hip-hop slave.
I could be anything that you want.
In my lifetime, I seen scholars become pimps, juicing the pipelines and making dollars in brief stints. Missing hints that you gotta be real before you step it up. QNC, no deal, still we kept it up. You lost your touch, we kept ours, and I quote, but still, we took it further from this murder she wrote.
Mystique, I beat the reaper, the mutant minesweeper.
It's no deeper, it's me, her, and Q Show, you better know.
Hey, yo, I stay jig on the hot list. With a hot miss at the Marriott, won't miss. Don't risk, it ain't worth it. Skills stay perfect. If DJs ain't playing it, it ain't worth shit. We par on every hole, so we score on every goal. I'm ready to roll, got hits like Rock got soul. Out of control, make tremendous moves with Kirk. While your squad getting jerked, we doing the dirty work.
I could be anything that you want.
Still a hip-hop slave.
I could be anything.
Still a hip-hop slave.
I could be anything that you want.
Still a hip-hop slave.
I could be anything that you want.
Yo, ain't no doubt about it, we dangerous like Bus and OC. Never high pitch, we blow and keep it low key. Easy like Moby, we steady rising. You cats wanna contact me, it's not surprising. Keep your eyes in, these two sons blazing. Hit after hit, we so amazing. Like Luther, track bruises, anything else is absurd. Still in the helm, in the realm of this spoken word.
You know how we be bringing it, white labels, hard to get, hard to sit. When Q-Ball drop funk like Parliament, and that's just part of it. We turning pounds to G's overseas, and keep that street buzz like killer bees. I'm driving Japanese, put enemies on their knees. And these be them cats that be out for the cheese. High fees, this number 5 and still making waves. Q-Ball and Kirk Cazal, still them hip-hop slaves.
I could be anything that you want.
Still a hip-hop slave.
I could be anything that you want.
Still a hip-hop slave.
I could be